First of all, let's pour some oil into this glass of water. This glass is like our colognes. And as you can see, the oil floats on the surface of water. This represents the oil we ate will accumulate in our colognes and transform to fat. And then, now we demonstrate the effect after consuming SPI2RO. Here we have an empty glass. Pour some oil into it, and this amount of oil is equivalent to our daily consumption. Then let's grab some SPI2RO, and we're going to mash them into powder form. This is because SPI2RO would be digested in our colognes. Moving on, we add the powder into this glass. And then we start to stir it. You can see the oil is wrapped by SPI2RO. We are going to pour this mixture into another glass of water. See, it forms into oil lumps and drops at the bottom of glass. The reason is, SPI2RO contains fiber which wraps the fat in the colognes. That's why oil lumps will drop. And let's stir to ensure those oil lumps won't be separated and deposited in colognes. Next, we pour this into another empty glass to demonstrate the process of bowel movement. And then we pour water into it. Wow! As we can see, the oil lumps are totally excreted and no longer deposit in the glass. As a reminder, please drink more water after consuming SPI2RO to improve the detoxification. Here is another glass without consuming SPI2RO, and there's a layer of oil floats on the surface. In long term, it accumulates into fat precipitate. Let's take SPI2RO now. Thank you!